Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new dining table set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. As we're putting together the L-shaped dining table set, what actually surprised me was how easy it was. Everything comes labeled clearly and the box includes both the tools and the step-by-step guide with pre-drilled holes. We did end up using a drill just to make it a bit faster. The frame is made of solid pine wood, which you can immediately tell by the weight and grain texture, not just some kind of particle board. It also is FSC certified, which means the wood is sustainable, sourced, and built to handle daily use. Each section connects with reinforced joints, and I noticed everything aligns perfectly, no gaps, no wobble. The L shape can be built facing either direction, so you can customize it depending on your kitchen layout or window space. The whole set took about an hour to assemble with 2 people. The table is surprisingly sturdy for the size with a 500-pound weight capacity, and the benches have a strong frame design that distributes weight evenly when you sit down. Even during assembly, the finishes feel premium. The surface has a waterproof coating, which means no staining or warping from spills. That's a big plus if you've got kids or use it daily for breakfast, work, or crafts. Now that I've got it built, this is the full setup: the L-shaped bench, the side bench, and the dining table. Right away, the wood tone stands out. The natural pine tone has that warm, rustic feel, while the darker base gives it a modern farmhouse look. It fits perfectly in a corner and saves about 30% more space than a standard table set. It's ideal for apartments, smaller dining areas, or even kitchen corners where you want to maximize seating without cluttering space. The bench is comfortable, seat 4 to 5 people, and the backrests are designed with slight ergonomic angles so they're comfortable for long meals or working sessions. The finish is smooth to the touch, and the family-proof coating really helps. Spills wipe off instantly with a towel, and the surface doesn't scratch easily. It's a great blend of durability and style, sturdy enough for everyday use, and it still looks like a custom-built piece in your home. And now that it's fully set up, here we are just sitting using it like we would on a normal day. The height feels perfect, not too low, not too high, and it lines up really well with standard chairs if you ever want to add one at the end. The corner bench is comfortable for 2 people, and there's enough legroom underneath so it doesn't feel cramped. It's one of those setups where you can easily sit for breakfast and stay there talking or working for an hour. The wood surface is sturdy enough for heavier dishes or serving trays, and the waterproof finish really helps. No coaster marks, no residue from drinks, just a clean surface after a quick wipe. While we're eating, you can tell how well the table fits into the corner. It makes the space feel intimate and organized. It's perfect for smaller kitchens and apartments where you still want the cozy family dining setup. The setup also adds a nice visual balance to the room. The L shape naturally defines the eating area, almost like a built-in booth you'd find in a restaurant. It feels warm, homey, and practical all at once. You could easily decorate the table seasonally and add placemats, a small centerpiece, or holiday decor, and it'll instantly look different without needing to move furniture around. So if you guys are looking for a whole complete dining set, definitely go to this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.